we are with project number 10. 10, yes. Number 9 didn't go very well. It looked promising, but it was just too fiddly, too sticky. I'm still covered in glue. Couldn't do it, gave up. This one is Make Your Own Festive Door Hangers. And this again is this foamy stuff again, which I quite like. This does have age warnings and things on it. For the elf, take the foam pieces and foam stickers to create the elf door hanger following the steps below. And that's for Santa. Does this just make 2? Yeah. So I'm going to do the elf this time because we did Santa for the other one. These are a bit bigger, so maybe a bit better for bigger kids. Smaller kids, sorry. I think the smaller things get, the harder they are for little fingers. So this is our door hanging for the elf. So we start off with his little hands and socks, I think. There's his face. So we start off with little hands that get popped onto no idea where. So we pop on his clothes first of all. Oh yeah, this one is so much better for smaller kids because they're just bigger pieces for them to work with. Oh, that has to go like so. And then his hat comes up, move that out of the way. His hat comes up there. So that goes like, oops, that goes like that. And then we have some holly berry, some holly that goes in there. Counting and sorting is always a good thing. And that's it, and I love that. That's a little door hanging, isn't that cute? So yeah, I like that one. So that's that. Thank you for joining me again, and we'll be back in an hour with number 11 and then number 12, and then we're done. Okay, thanks for joining me. I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.